All right, what we have here is a linear actuator. This is the one that was used to raise and moor the body of the snowblower. Um, I noticed that it developed a little bit more play than I expected. I mean, I haven't been treating this even remotely kind. I've been smashing into snowbanks. You know, it's been dealing with heavier duty than I was probably designed for. Maybe I have to use two. I already swapped it out, so I figured I'd tear this one down and take a look and see what got jacked up. So this is the shaft, and it goes through a clearing in there. It has one spacer that sits here, right there, and then it has another spacer which sits like so. The middle space here is for a bearing, and then that little ridge that you see, when I opened it up, I heard a clink, and it was this spring clip that fell out. So this broke, and that spring clip goes in there, and that keeps it, that keeps this from having play. Then this pin goes through and gets driven by this gear. So basically what happened was the spring clip broke. Then this whole thing was free to move about, I don't know, a quarter inch more than it was supposed to. And this spacer started smashing into the pin. You can see it ran like that for a while. Because those little impressions where the pin was, that's not supposed to be there. So, I could replace the little clip. I don't happen to have any of those ones on hand, but it's just going to do it again because that is not much of a mechanism before. I mean, this is not meant to take any kind of impacts or anything. And I'm going to be giving this thing backs, Mature the Beast. So what I think I'm going to do, I mean, it was running fine. It didn't fail. It was still working. It just had play. So I think what I'm going to do is I made up this little extra spacer in the wave. I think if that'll take up all the play that I need it to. If I had a small enough ball bearing, I think I might, do a center drill down in there and drop a little ball bearing in. Same with the end of the shaft, but I don't have the right size ball bearing right now anyway. So I'm going to give the spacer thing a shot first, and we'll see if we can take up that play in a way that won't break again. And if it does break again, hopefully it'll break in a more catastrophic way much later. More fun.